learn about vectors, what is the vector and all these operations as well, right? But now we start with a matrix. What is matrix and what we use data science, right? Okay. So first we start with the definition. A matrix a matrix is a rectangular array of a number, that is symbol or expression arranged in a row and column, right? A rectangular array. It's basically is a uh, okay is a uh, uh, multiple vectors, vector 8 8, right? That is called as a matrix. Okay. How to understand? Okay. First, you will understand. Let's consider we have a matrix A. A matrix A. That's the element is something like that. Element is the A11, uh, A11, A12 till AMN, right? Similarly, B11, B12 till BMN. Similarly, C11, C12 till CMN. CMN. This is a simple form of vectors, right? This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. 3 cross 3 matrix, and it's represented by the okay, and its represent is the it has uh, it has it it has a I N J, right? It has a INJ. Where what is the I in that particular IJ? I did that we're using I'm a IJ, where I is the denoted the row, right? In that case, I is denoted the row. It means the row I is denoted as a row, and similarly, J is denoted by a column, denoted by a column, right? This is simple form of matrix and simple form of matrix that is used in that particular in that particular uh, uh, that's the denotation and how it's a vector form. This is you see, this is the multiple vectors are there in a matrix. There is a multiple vector are there. The one, two, and three. This is the multiple vector are there, right? Similarly, when you go forward and see the use in in data science is the main use to data representation. What does this mean? Right? Data data representation. What does this mean data representation, right? Okay. So let's understand the data representation in a data science. In the use case analysis, I hope you understand about the matrix. What is the matrix? Is the form of a rectangular form of a symbol that expresses the arranging row and column. It's actually in that particular matrix that we have multiple vectors that combine it. Right? Okay. We are to understand the example in a that data representation, how it is work and what is it, right? Okay. So first we are going with let's consider we have a scores of a math, physics, and bio biology basically. And we have a score that's 55, right? 55, uh, 65 in math and 70. Similarly, in physics, we get 65, 60, and 45. 45. In bio, we get a 75, 50 and 80. That is a data representation, right? You see, in that particular form, we have a vectors. In data representation, that's not important for your which subject do you have. Be important for that data that we have, right? And you see, this is all in a vector form, right? This max physics bio considers that that's the one vector, the second vector, and this the third vector that we have. Okay, that we have. So you with that you that convert in a vector form. So how it's look like is a 55, 65 and 75. Similarly, 65, 60, 55, uh, 70, 45 and 80. That is the data representation, and that is a useful thing that we have. Okay, that we have in a vector form, and this is the 3 cross 3 cross 3 also called is the M cross N matrix. In that particular thing, you said is the M cross N matrix, right? M cross N matrix. It means M represent is a row and N represents a column. N represents column. And then we have feature one, feature two, feature three that we have. Okay, I hope you understand about some basic concept of the matrix, what is the matrix, and uh, all of this. Okay, so we will meet now.